Welcome to our video. Today, we will take you on a deep dive into the colored felt fabric roll warehouse. Here, you can find a variety of colorful felt rolls with different thicknesses ranging from 1 to 6 millimeters, which are perfect for making various handmade crafts. At our warehouse, you can choose from almost any color and texture of felt rolls, making them an ideal choice for creating unique handmade crafts. Additionally, these felt rolls are very soft, easy to cut and match, allowing you to create any handmade craft you can imagine. We offer a range of thicknesses of felt rolls, from 1 millimeter to 6 millimeters, each with its unique purpose. For example, the 1 millimeter felt roll is suitable for making lightweight handmade crafts, while the 6 millimeters felt roll is ideal for creating more complex handmade crafts. We provide you with the highest quality felt rolls to ensure that the quality of your handmade crafts is guaranteed. At the same time, we offer competitive prices, allowing you to purchase the best materials at the most affordable prices. Thank you for watching our video. We hope our introduction has helped you better understand the colored felt fabric roll warehouse. If you need any assistance or consultation, please feel free to contact us.